In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to customize shoes on Nike app. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I am starting this process on the Nike website. As of today, to my knowledge, the best way to properly customize shoes is only available on the website. So if you want to follow along, just open a web browser instead of the Nike app and go to Nike.com. When you arrive at this page, all that you have to do to customize your own shoes is to find a specific pair that is compatible with the design your own function that Nike offers. So just browse through all of the shoes until you find one that is customizable. You will be able to find the option to customize immediately upon selecting any eligible shoe, and on the color selector there will be the option to customize it by you. So if you browse through all of the items and you find the option to design your own, as you can see, if you go into the Nike Dunk Low, for example, the option is here. So this is all you have to select, design your own. If you do not see the option, the specific model that you chose is not eligible to be designed by you. But if you choose this option on any eligible pair, you will be able to start the process of making your own design. So you can select your design and then customize. This will take you to a page that has all the options related to customization. Like I said in the beginning, I believe the website offers as many tools as possible to make this experience much better than the app. It will take a while to load. It is going to load in all the assets and all the options that you have, and you can follow these steps here if you wish. I'm gonna skip them, but I recommend that you see what's new on the editor. So you will have a 3D views of the shoes that you are customizing. This is extremely cool. All that you have to do now is choose the options. So as you can see, you can choose the material. So for example, leather, velvet tiger, velvet cheetah, and then croc. Choose between all of the options and you will be able to customize the left and the right shoe. You can even do non-matching customization. So for example, the right shoe will not be exactly the same as the left one. Of course, this is optional and you can change things according to your own tastes and whatever you like. For this video, I'm not gonna make any pairs of shoes that look nice. I just want to demonstrate the process, so I'm just gonna tap done at the top right. Immediately upon tapping done, your design is gonna appear here. If you don't see the updated thumbnail, that's fine. Just make sure that the shoe was properly edited, choose the size, and proceed to checkout. You will notice that unlike other shoes, you will not be able to do a guest checkout, so you have to sign in to finish this purchase. And after you do, you will be able to acquire the shoes that you customized yourself on the Nike website. I hope I was able to help you on how to customize shoes on Nike app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.